Yeah, my name is Allan. I'm an orthopedic spine surgeon in Providence, Rhode Island. I work at Brown University. One of the challenges of spine surgery is that our outcomes have not always been as consistent as a specialty such as total joint replacement, like total hips and total knees. They've been able to develop extremely reliable outcomes. And in spine, we have struggled partially because the patients are so different and so varied. And unfortunately, our revision and reoperation rates have just been higher. And really, the key to the future is collecting as much data as possible so that we can assess the optimal treatments for these patients to reduce not only variability, but reduce these complications and reoperations. And I think AI is perfectly set up for a specialty like spine surgery, where if we can collect enough data, we can start to then deliver more reliable outcomes for the patients with evidence-based surgery. And I think that's really the future, is trying to use all the data we have to harness to really figure out how we can deliver the best, most reliable outcomes for patients.
You can head back and like roll around.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day. Good job.
Thank you.